Hey, it's Becca here with another systems video, an IT video. In other words, I am apologizing that I haven't made one of these in a while because I didn't feel like it. That's kind of what it boils down to. But we're all moved into our new place, and maybe I'll have some time to make a lot more if I do end up feeling like it. Shout out to Ohio State for winning the Natty yesterday. I wanted to throw that in there real quick. All right, so I am here today with secondary domains, and I want to explain kind of a situation that came up with my client where this is really beneficial, and it might be beneficial for you as well. So they have a holding company, and then they have other companies underneath that holding company. And what this does here is it creates email aliases, and it also allows you to manage your domains all from one Google admin account. So it's very beneficial, very helpful. You do not have to pay for those email aliases. So if you're a little guy like I am, super helpful to not have to spend money on every single email account that you have. Know what I mean? So I'm going to show you how to set this up. You're going to want to go to admin.google.com. It's on the home, but it is also going to be under down here when you go to account and domains. But as you can see right here, you can control it from here as well, add a domain. Now I have already added Peachey.com. I do own that domain, even though I haven't set up any fancy webpage for myself yet. But I'm going to add this one that I own because everybody gets my freaking last name wrong and they miss that E. So I actually want, if anybody like emails Becca at BeccaPeachey without the E.com, I want it to go to my existing email account already. And so from here, I'm going to create it as a secondary domain. Now you do have two options here. You can do a user alias domain. A secondary domain is going to be, you're going to be able to create emails that are actual accounts underneath that domain as well. So like, let's say I wanted somebody to just have an account under BeccaPeachey.com. Then I can do that without giving them an account that's also at my primary domain, which in this case is peacheyinnovations.com. So I could also just do the user alias. Actually, user alias would be more appropriate in this scenario, but I'm going to show you the secondary domain. So I'm going to add the domain and start the verification, and it's really going to walk you through these DNS settings. Let's get this started. It knows that I'm already in Squarespace. I'm going to continue, and I'm going to do this manually. I already have my Squarespace domain open, so we're going to go over to the DNS settings, and we are going to add a record here. Now it literally tells you exactly what to add. So this is going to be a text record. I like to change that first. The host is going to be default. I believe that would be @ And then you're going to copy this into here. And then TTL. I'm going to do 30 minutes. And we're going to save that. From here, you're going to show the CNAME. We're going to add another one. Type is CNAME, the host, and we got, tells you the host. Copy that data. I'm going to save that. Actually, I like to have shorter here. All right, and then, yep, I did it, confirm it. Now, if you already have this set up with something else, you may have to delete old DNS records. So we're going to go through the activate Gmail process. And from here, it's going to give us an MX record to add. So we got MX. And we're just really copying and pasting. They make it really easy. So did I just jinx myself? Okay, I really think it was picky about the damn period at the end. So we removed the period, even though that was whatever. Doesn't matter. Works. So let's have it go and verify this. We confirm. Verified. We're all good. And then so from here, you're going to go over to your directory users. And from here, I'm going to click myself, and I'm going to go ahead and set up those email aliases. Add alternative emails right here. And it's going to make it real simple for you because all of your domains are already going to exist right here. Put both of them and save. So now I have an email set up for both of my alternative domains. Now, let me show you what this looks like when we actually send an email so we can make this a little bit nicer. Okay, so I am in my personal email, and I am going to send that email to one of my aliases. And then we are going to just say test, hello, send that. Then from here, we're going to go over to my work email, and here it popped up. And I got one more thing to show you, because you're also going to want to be able to likely respond with your alias. And this is going to be something that you're going to set on the user side. So it's something that you need to either teach your users, or if you're a small guy and you're just setting the aliases up for yourself, then you need to do this step for yourself. So you're going to go to your settings, and that's that little gear here. And this is going to be from your Gmail. Click on See All Settings, and you're going to go to your Accounts tab, and your Send Mail As. You're going to want to add another email address here. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to add another one, because nobody knows how to spell my last name. Maybe this video will help spread awareness that there is an E in Peachey. I would like the companies that create Peachey products to also take notice. So you're going to want to turn this on. Reply from the same address that the message was sent to. So we got these test emails. We're going to reply, test this out. 1, 2, 3, send. I'm going to wait for that to pop up in the personal email. Okay, it's here. And it looks like it was done correctly. So that's great. And we also already have it set up where we compose. You can change from here, so I can select where I want to send that message from. That's all, folks. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time.